Steam. Hot water turns to gas and evaporates. That gas escapes upward and is the key process that has defined the energy generation process of our entire civilization. From the steam turbines of the nuclear power stations to the turbines of coal power stations, steam ensures that heat produced by burning fuel can turn wheels and propellers that produce electricity and power everything we have. The most well-known of such engines was that of the steam engine. Handcrafted with hammers and tongs, thick sheets of cast iron arranged around a boiler and a wood fire. When attached to wheels, the entire contraption could use a few blocks of wood to pull an entire carriage full of men and women down a pair of tracks laid out for it. Of course, this isn't where the steam engine started its life. The steam engine was first designed in Britain as a way for mining magnates to ensure that their mines could continue digging. It's important to understand that Britain is an island, and many of the coal mines were found on the coastal edges, located on an island where it rained constantly, where the ground wasn't made of pure, solid rock. Water was a constant danger. These mines constantly flooded, and the miners had no way of pulling the water out that didn't involve two men pushing and pulling on a pump. With the steam engines, they could pull the water out faster, more steadily, all day, every day, so long as there was power supplied. These were the first steam engines, and they allowed the miners to dig out coal for the next series of engines that would power trains. Trains that traveled on tracks, one that could pull several hundred tons of material, enough cargo that it could replace 100 horse-drawn carriages, moving so fast that a journey through the country that would take a carriage entire weeks could be done in a single day. Hundreds of trains traveling through the entire country, dragging with them enough cargo to fuel the enormous factories churning out more trains, ships, tools, spoons and forks for an entire continent. Steam engines were then used to power ships, wooden ships at first, with highly flammable hulls, their engines in the middle, paddles on the side, traveling up and down the coast at the same speed no matter the wind, bringing cargo from an island nation to the rest of the continent. The Industrial Revolution spread along with the steam engine. With it powering entire societies, jobs done by 100 men could now be done with 10. Those unemployed 90 would need to find more work, concentrating into the cities, exchanging ideas and culture, developing society further. From the agricultural revolution, more and more men would arrive into the cities, all of them looking for work that the steam engine and the tools it powered could provide. Without the steam engine and the changes it caused to society, there could have been no industrial revolution, and without an industrial revolution, there could be no modern world.